Wait. So everybody just got paid, and so getting paid means you all go out to dinner, I think. So say hello to everybody. And so this is like hot pot, you know, Vietnamese style. So and lots of rice wine. So
No rice.
rice wine in a bowl with ice, and then. Yeah. So anyway, and then we heat up all the food. Oh, spread. Oh, here we go. Go. Oh, that's nice rice wine. Really good.
Mày hàng chồng tao này đi, mày chồng tao mày á.
Chết tao chết chị chứ chết được em đâu.
Làm.
Đi có làm tốt chị con.
No, nice.
Để lui.
You tell people if they want to say something I don't understand now, but in 2 years' time I can watch video understand. Now say. Say now Vietnam, no understand. Watch video 2 years, understand.
No, I don't understand.
I think you understand. You understand.
No understand.
You say it now, and then later I Viet.
I speak Vietnam, no speak English. No, I
bật chưa? Bên này không bật à? Lan Anh bật chưa? Bật rồi. Đại bác à?
Really good.
Đâu đại bác à?
So the average wage here is like about 300 BND a day. So $20 a day, and that's for like 8 hours or 10 hours. Anyway, I'm getting told to go and eat. So bye bye.
go eat. No thông, eat no thông.
No problem. Eat. Okay. And look, here comes another plate of food. For the other end of the table. You'd wonder how we could possibly eat that much food. 3 million.
No.
300,000. Only 300,000 for this. Oh, cheap. Good. Cheap.
Có tiền không?
Giá.
Có tiền không?
Okay. Bye bye.